Hey everyone, David Miklas here. As a labor and employment attorney, I regularly deal with severance agreements and settlement agreements, but not everyone else does. If a Florida business wants an employee to waive their right to sue for age discrimination, there are very specific requirements that must be met, which many business owners, HR professionals, and even lawyers do not realize. The Age Discrimination Employment Act, or ADEA, sets specific requirements that permit waivers of claims or rights in certain circumstances. Waivers are common in settling discrimination claims or in connection with an exit incentive or other employment termination programs. However, unlike waivers for other types of claims, such as race discrimination or gender discrimination, in order to be valid, any waiver for age discrimination must be two things: knowing and voluntary. In order for such a waiver to be considered knowing and voluntary, the waiver must do 7 things. It must be in writing and be understandable. It must specifically refer to ADEA rights or claims. It cannot waive rights or claims that may arise in the future, which means after the date of execution. It must be in exchange for what lawyers call valuable consideration, which basically means something such as money that is in addition to anything of value to which the individual is already entitled. Also, it must advise the individual in writing to consult an attorney before signing the waiver. It also must provide the individual with at least 21 days to consider the agreement before signing it. And it must provide that the individual may revoke the agreement within 7 days of its execution. Many people don't realize that the 21-day time period is waivable, but the 7-day period is not able to be waived. Another detail is that when a waiver of age claims is sought in connection with an exit incentive or other employment termination program, such as a layoff or a RIF, reduction in force, these group waiver agreements have the 21-day period extended to at least 45 days. Now, if the waiver is sought because you're settling either an EEOC charge or civil lawsuit which alleges age discrimination, then the individual must be given a reasonable period of time within which to consider the settlement agreement. Now, if you missed a part of this, just replay the video. Hope that helps. Have a great day.